Exponent law number 1 and 2. Exponent law states that if the base is the same, you multiply, you add your exponents. Law number 2 states if the base is the same, you divide, you subtract your exponents. A few examples. X to the exponent 8 multiply x to the exponent 3. Base is the same, we multiply, we add. So I'm going to have 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So x to the exponent 11 is the first answer. If I look at my second question, I have x squared, x to the exponent 5, x to the exponent 6. So the bases are the same. We multiply, we add. First step is going to be x. 2 plus 5 plus 6. If we add up, this gives me 11 plus 2 gives me x to the exponent 13. Another example. Again, basis is the same. We multiply, we add. So I have here x, 2 plus y, plus 3, plus 2. Remember, this is not similar terms. So I'm going to say 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So my answer is x, 7 plus y, not 7y. Another example. If we look at the question, 2 to the exponent 4, that is wrong, that must be a multiply. 4 to the exponent a, multiply 2 to the exponent 3a. So your goal first of all is to get all the bases the same. So I'm going to say this is 2 to the exponent 4, multiply. If you put 4 in exponent form, that will be 2 to the exponent 2, multiply a, multiply 2 to the exponent 3a. Our next step will be 2 to the exponent 4, multiply 2 to the exponent 2a. Remember rule number 3, 4, and 5. The moment you have brackets, you multiply the exponents of each other. Multiply 2 to the exponent 3a. Again, the basis is the same. We multiply, we add. So I'm going to have 2 to the exponent 4 plus 2a plus 3a. This is like terms or similar terms. That gives you 2 to the exponent 4 plus 5a. Next example is division. If the base is the same, you divide, you subtract. The moment you subtract, you change the sign. So I'm going to have a to the exponent 3 minus 2. You can write it like that because you subtract the division. So I'm going to have a 3 minus 2 is equal to a to the exponent 1. You don't need to write down that 1. You can only write down a. If I look at the next question, I have an a5 and an a. So I'm going to say a5 minus 1. b6 minus 4. There's no c, so I just rewrite the c. So my answer is going to be a to the exponent 4, b to the exponent 2, and c 2. If I look at this example, we have multiply and division. You can do everything at once, or you can do it step by step. If we look at this, x multiply x to the 5, x2. So the basis is the same. We multiply, we add. So I can say 3 plus 5 plus 2 divided by x to the exponent 4. That will give me 8, 9, 10. X to the exponent 10 divided by x to the exponent 4. Our law tells us if the base is the same, you divide, you subtract. So that's going to give me x to the exponent 10 minus 4 is equal to x to the exponent 6. That's the one method to do this. Or if you're lazy, you can go and say, if you multiply, you add. If you divide, you subtract. That will be 3 plus 5 plus 2 minus 4. So this gives me 10 minus 4. That gives me x to the exponent 6. The method you choose depends on the amount of marks. If we look at question number 8, again, a combination. If I look at this, you can do this two ways. You can go and say this is a 2n, multiply a 5n, y1, y3, divided by a, y negative 2. The basis is the same. We multiply, we add. The base is the same. We divide, we subtract. So I can say a to the exponent 2n plus 5n minus 1. Y to the exponent 1 plus 3 minus 2. So at the end, I'm going to have a 2n plus 5n give me 7n minus 1, and y 4 plus 2 gives me 6, and there's my answer. If I look at the next example, a negative 2, a negative 3. Base is the same, we divide, we subtract. So I'm going to have a negative 2, negative 3. So that gives me a negative 2 plus 3. So my answer is A. Or you can just straightforward go and say a to the exponent negative 2. The moment we subtract, we change the sign. So this is now a negative. It will change into a positive, and then my answer is A. Last question. Base is the same. We divide, we subtract. So I'm going to have x, 6 minus p minus 10 minus 2p. So I'm going to have here x, 6 minus p minus 10. Remember, negative and a positive gives me negative. A negative and a negative gives me a positive. So at the end, I'm going to have x. 6 minus 10 is minus 4. Negative p plus 2p gives me plus p. In your final answer, your exponent may never be negative. That means if there's two terms for exponent, the first one must be positive. You can go and say x, p minus 4, or you can go say this is x4 minus p.